Today we will be making a mini greenhouse. First thing, we want to take our empty cup and fill it 3/4 of the way with soil. When it's filled 3/4 of the way, we're going to add our seeds. When the seeds are put down, cover it again with soil. And then we're going to water our seeds. And you want to make sure that you water it generously, but you don't want the water to pool on the bottom. So sometimes you might want to take a little bit of water, put it down, let it settle, check the bottom, and then you can always put some more water down if you need to. Next, we're going to take an empty cup when it's ready, and we're going to place it on the top. And then all we want to do is put one piece of tape touching both sides as a hinge. Then we can take our mini greenhouse, put it in the sun, and let the plant grow. Leave it out there for about a week and see what happens.